Hi, I'm Janisha Cheda, Application Scientist at Shimadzu Scientific Instruments. In this video, I will be showing you how to perform fine laser adjustment on SALD-2300 or SALD-7500 particle size analyzer.
To ensure accuracy, the alignment of the laser must be checked each time the instrument is turned on or if the sampling accessory or dispersing solvent is changed. Start the alignment procedure by turning on the instrument. Then, install your sampling accessory and fill a clean batch or flow cell with water or the fluid used to disperse your particles. If you have the dry sampler, simply install the chamber and turn on the regulator and cyclone unit. Open the Diagnostic and Adjustment screen. This is what the screen should look like when the system is in good condition and not in need of alignment. At the top of the screen, it should read Raw Signal, Background Signal. If it does not, you can change the setting under the Options menu. Across the top of the screen, you will also see the photosensor output for each sensor in the SALD's wing detector. The max should not exceed 10,000, and the min should be some value greater than 0. On the bottom left are the centering sensors, which show the light intensity on the 4 sensors that detect the position of the laser. The blue box should be square, and all the D1 through D4 values should be above 1000. And on the bottom right is the same sensor output displayed as the difference between the top and bottom sensors and the left and right sensors. This is how the diagnostic window appears when the laser needs adjustment. You can see that the blue block is not square, and there is no crosshair in the middle of the square on the right. In this instance, the D1 top sensor and D2 left sensor values are very large. This means we need to move the laser down and to the right. To make the adjustments, start by removing the cover on the right side of the instrument. Pull on the metal latch and lift the cover up and out from the instrument. Notice the position of the optical adjustment micrometers. Your micrometers may have labels with triangles that indicate their original positions. Make a note of these readings. If the adjustment procedure causes an unexpected change, you can use those readings to return the micrometers to their original positions. Release the clamps on both micrometers. The diagram to the right of the screws illustrates how each screw changes the position of the laser. Rotate the vertical adjustment screw clockwise to move the laser down. Rotate it counterclockwise to move the laser up. Rotate the horizontal adjustment screw clockwise to move the laser right. Rotate it counterclockwise to move the laser left. Make your first adjustment. Start with small turns of only 1 or 2 graduated markings, and confirm the sensor output values change as expected in the centering sensor window. And remember that the sensor updates once every second, so wait for the readings to settle. A typical fine adjustment requires a change of fewer than 5 markings. As you make your adjustments, the blue square should increase in size and become more centered. If the crosshair is visible on the lower right chart but not yet centered, then you are very close to alignment. At this point, only very small adjustments are required, typically less than a full marking. Once the crosshair is in the center box, the adjustment is complete. The bottom of the screen will turn green. Clamp both micrometers and put the cover back on. Inspect the photosensor outputs. Now you can perform a cell check by pressing the Cell Check button. This compares the mean blank value to the previous blank measurement and will alert you if there has been an increase in signal. This may indicate the cell is dirty and needs to be cleaned, or that bubbles are adhering to the glass. If you were unable to align the laser, or you see abnormalities, such as a large peak in the photosensor chart, you may need to perform a rough adjustment. Please consult the manual for additional details or contact your Shimadzu representative. You can print the diagnostic and adjustment screen by pressing the Print button. This helps you to keep a record of the alignment history. For more information about Shimadzu particle size analyzers, please visit www.ssi.shimadzu.com.
Excellence in science. Shimadzu.